Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Tuesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kyle Keel. We're tracking some freezing drizzle early this morning, especially south of Waterloo and Dubuque. But all of us this afternoon will get in on that chance for some light snow and flurries. Threat tracker is in the yellow, so we need to watch for some slick spots here this afternoon and into the early evening. Tomorrow and Thursday shaping up to be pretty nice. The wind will pick up, but it will be a warm wind as we are tracking highs in the 30s. Now, as for this morning, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect until 10 a.m. at the time being. I want to stay with KWWL for updates on this, as there's a potential for some freezing drizzle. All of the issues this morning have been back toward central Iowa, but as a freezing drizzle potential moves eastward, there could be some slick roadways. So this will be mainly south of Waterloo and Dubuque for that freezing drizzle. Let's track out the light snow for this afternoon with Future Track. Now here we go through early this morning into the early afternoon. We will see a mostly cloudy sky. By about 11 or 12, we'll start to see some light snow develop as that Clipper system quickly moves in. It'll become a little more widespread here this afternoon and into the evening. So here we are at 3 o'clock. At least some scattered snow showers are expected across eastern Iowa, and some of those snow showers could be moderate at times. That could lead to some quick accumulation up to an inch possible. That'll continue into the early evening hours before we see that move out of the area after sunset. That will lead to some decreasing clouds here tonight, and that's going to lead us to a very cold night as well. But at least we will see some sunshine and warmer temperatures into the day on Wednesday. Now, as for your snowfall forecast, widespread, we're looking at about a trace to 1 inch. It looks like Highway 20 points to the north might get closer to that 1 inch mark, so we'll continue to keep an eye on it. You just don't want to let your guard down. It's not going to be a lot of snow, so at times you might be thinking in your head, okay, I can make this through going the speed limit, but it could lead to some tricky travel, so just be aware of that here this afternoon into the evening. For today, your Storm Track 7 forecast has temperatures generally in the lower 20s north to near 30s south. So that system is going to track pretty much overhead. So that's going to lead to that wide range in those temperatures. We'll have west wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, overnight lows will be in the single digits to lower teens. So it is going to be a colder night, but you'll notice that average low is 9 degrees. So this honestly is not too bad for this time of year. Keep that northwest wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. City by city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City features all of us in the 30s here tomorrow and Wednesday. We'll see a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky both of those days. Tomorrow we'll start off with winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, but I do suspect those will pick up to about 25 miles per hour during the afternoon. We'll keep those winds out of the northwest at 10 to 20, so kind of a couple of fronts moving through on Thursday. The first one, just going to see a change in the wind direction, but that second one is going to bring that push of colder Canadian air. We'll have overnight lows in the single digits and close to zero here as we head Thursday night into Friday night, with highs near 20 Friday and Saturday. We are tracking a storm system on Sunday that could bring a wintry mix transitioning to snow into Monday. And then we'll have to see how next week plays out. It does look a little more active with off and on chances for snow through at least Thursday, but at least those temperatures are looking seasonable.